First of all, take a look at this channel, 1.6 million subscribers, and as you can see, its views are also in the millions. If you check its monthly income, it is around $23,000 per month. The views are very impressive. You can see some videos with 3 to 4 million views, some with 1 to 3 million views, and even videos reaching up to 4 million views. There are many videos on this channel that have gained millions of views. You can also create videos exactly like these in a very easy way and completely for free. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Now let's move on and see how you can create these kinds of videos in just 2 to 3 minutes. First of all, what you need to do is open ChatGPT. When you open ChatGPT, the next step is that I will give you a prompt. You just have to copy that prompt. This prompt is important. I will add it in my YouTube description, and I will also share it in the YouTube comment section. Make sure to comment as well. Then you simply have to paste that prompt and click. After clicking, wait for a moment. Once you paste it, you also need to write these lines below it. Look at these 3 prompts. I want to create videos exactly like them. Please give me 7 image prompts in detail. After a short time, what will happen is that ChatGPT will start generating prompts for you. You will see how amazing and detailed those prompts are. Within just a few minutes, your prompt is ready. Now we create video free. Alright, now we have to create videos. So what do you need to do? It's very simple. First, you just need to type Flow Labs and open the site labs.google. After opening it, click on Create with Flow. Then keep clicking Next and connect your email. Once you connect your email, you will see that you get 150 credits. These credits are given on the first email, and it also shows that credits refresh daily. This means you will keep getting credits every day, so you can use it for free daily without any worry. Now click on New Project. After that, you need to select the size according to your needs. For example, if you are making YouTube Shorts, you can select 9:16. If it's for other types of videos, you can choose 16:9. I will select 16:9, but you can choose whatever suits your requirement. After that, select Veo 1 Fast. Then you just have to paste the prompts like this. I will also paste another prompt. Once both prompts are pasted, wait for a little while. After a short time, your videos will be ready. You can see both videos are ready now. This is how you can create videos using this method. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel.